Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 176. Solve and draw bar models to help you. Number 4. A baker makes 32 rolls in the morning. Let's draw that first. So here's my 32 rolls that the baker makes. And he does that in the morning, so I'm going to put an M for morning. He makes 64 rolls in the afternoon. Okay, so in the morning he makes 32. In the afternoon he makes 64. So I'm going to make that bar model bigger. So he makes 64 in the afternoon. I'm putting A for afternoon. He packs all the rolls equally into 4 boxes. So he's going to put these together and he's going to split them up. So he's going to put these together. I'm going to put a circle over here. And he's going to split these up into 4 boxes. Let me make that better. So he's going to put those two together, and I'm going to make a bigger bar model. And he's going to split these up into 4 boxes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many rolls does each box have? So I'm trying to figure out how many one of the box has. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is I have to figure out how much he makes in all. And if I figure out how much he makes in all, I'm adding. So I need to add 32 in the morning plus the 64 in the afternoon to figure out how much he makes in all. And let's do that first. Let's use blue. So 32, and I have to add that to 64. Alright, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So here, I know that he makes 96 rolls in all. Then he's going to pack the rolls equally into 4 boxes. So what I'm doing in 96 is I'm splitting it up into 4 equal boxes. And when I divide or split something up to 4 equal boxes, I'm dividing. So I'm doing 96 divide by 4. Alright. So 9 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Take that away. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then we take that away and we've got 0. No remainders. So each box has 24 rolls. Let's write that into a sentence. Each box has 24 rolls. Okay, let's do number 5. Marcus collects 14 stamps each month. Okay, so let's draw our first bar model for Marcus. He collects 14 stamps. I'll put the number 14 on top for Marcus. M for Marcus each month. Wayne collects 19 stamps each month. Alright, so here's Wayne. And he collects a little more, 19. I put a W for Wayne, 19 stamps each month. How many months does Wayne take to collect 65 more stamps, or collect 65 stamps more than Marcus? So here, I want to figure out how many months it's going to take Wayne to collect 65 more stamps. Not 65 stamps total, 65 more stamps than Marcus. So in order for me to figure that out, I need to figure out how much more he collects in 1 month. Alright, so the more is that empty space. Remember, this is how much Marcus collects. This is how much Wayne collects, 19. And right here is how much more Wayne collects than Marcus. And when I'm trying to find the difference between Wayne and Marcus, I'm subtracting. So here I'm trying to find the difference between Wayne and Marcus in a month, which means I'm subtracting the 19 by Wayne minus the 14 by Marcus, and I find out that 19 minus 4 is 5. Alright, so Wayne collects 5 more stamps each month. So then I want to figure out how many months it takes him to collect 65 more stamps. So here is my 65 more stamps I want to figure out how many more months it takes Wayne to collect 65 more stamps, and I know that each month he collects 5 more stamps. So that's month number 1, 5 more stamps. Month number 2, 5 more stamps. Month number 3, 5 more stamps. And I don't know how many months it is, but I do know that each month he collects 5 more stamps. And if you look at this bar model, I'm splitting up 65 into groups of 5. Now when I split up 65 into groups of 5, I'm also dividing. So 65 divide by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, and drop down the 5 gives me 15. 15 divided by 5, 5, 10, 15 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15, and if I take that away, I get 0. So I know it takes him 13 months to collect 65 more stamps. Let's write that into a sentence. It takes 13 months for Wayne, let's make that a little bit bigger, for Wayne to collect 65 more stamps. Okay, now there's blocking it, so let's shrink that down. There you go. It takes 13 months for Wayne to collect 65 more stamps. Okay, and that's page 176.